Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick video because if you're anything like me, I was a little bit late with the Christmas decorations, so I decided to do just a quick video on small, quick Christmas decorations that I can quickly make to add to my decor. So there's 4 projects and I did them all in one day. They were very quick and I had to work through them quickly. Stick around and see what I get up to.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews and many more. Come and join me on this journey and let's have fun together.
So project number 1 is I'm going to cover boxes. I have these boxes that are shoe boxes. I've got the different sizes and I'm going to be covering them with this paper which I got from my mom. I'm going to be using this white one and the gold one, and I'm going to try and use this one and see if I have enough to do the wrapping of the gifts. My daughter made this one for me because the one I made was not very nice. So I'm just going to put this onto the top box because they're going to go on top of each other. I got these from when I went to Black Friday at Value Co. They're usually R11.99. I got them for $6.99. So I got 2 of them, but I don't think I'm going to need both of them for this project. We'll see. What I'm going to be doing is, in the past, I made these balls with my family's names on. And I tried to make one every year, but you know, it just didn't stick. the tradition didn't stick. I might make another set this year. I don't know. I'll see how I feel and if I have time. But I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them onto this what's it, tinsel. Some of them don't have proper things at the top, so I'm going to be using the same wire as this, which is this one, to put the little holders at the top so I can get it on nicely. What I'm doing is I'm just adding some that don't have names on, just so that I have some space, because I didn't have a lot with names on at the moment. It looks like I'm just a little bit too short on this one to add these on, these 3. So I'm going to have to use the next one as well. I have these wooden pieces that I got cut off a tree. So what I did was I sanded it down nicely so that it's nice and smooth. And I got these trees also at Value Co on Black Friday. So these ones, I'm not too sure what price they were because they actually gave you like a discount for buying on that day. So the bigger one was $24.99 if you want to go and get it now, and the smaller one was $14.99. I'm not sure how much this one is because the price is not on it. So, but I want to glue them down. I want to glue the fake snow as well around it, and that will be it for this project. For the fake snow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to decoupage the bottom here so that I can put it on, because the glue gun won't work for that. So the decoupage didn't keep all of the fake snow on because I wanted some more on, so I've sprayed some of this Bostik Art and Craft sprayable adhesive over the top, and I'm going to let it dry. The last one, I am going to trace this out. I'm going to use some carbon paper and trace this out that I drew using a pencil, and then when I've traced it out, I'm going to be using these cookies that I got from the general store. They are acrylic cookies. They're quite strong, and then I'm going to go over it with that, and then I'm going to add the nativity scene. So the only nativity scene, can you believe, that I could find was this one. Everything is just about Santa Claus out there, so I needed to get this one, and they didn't have the little baby Jesus's crib, so I had to cut it out of the learning card that I got. And I got the learning card from, I think, Crazy Store. I think this was from Crazy Store. So I'm going to be gluing that on with the baby Jesus on top of it, and then Mary and Joseph, and I'm thinking about adding the donkey because he's so cute. So that was the quick and easy Christmas decoration video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, if you can please give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate. And if you go and look in the description block below, you will also find all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you'll also find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on my channel and then also what I do on my blog. This is my last video for this year. I thought I'd just do it quickly because usually I upload on a Friday, but I thought I'd upload today on the Wednesday. If I have to tell you, I've recorded this video, edited this video, and uploaded it all in one day. So when I say quick and easy Christmas decorations, it definitely is quick and easy. So I hope that everyone has a wonderful Christmas and festive season, and that you enjoy your time with your family, and I'll see you next year. So keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.